Alright guys, New Age Tactical back with another video.
Knife.
Finally.
New Age.
So, you kind of bought this without me.
Because I realized we hadn't done a QSP in 3 years. Do you remember the name of the last QSP? Animal.
I was thinking of Firebird. That was the Gonzo though.
Yep, you're all right. The last one we did was the QSP Shark. So what do we have today? Does it say it on there?
Yeah, the Parrot.
Yep. I'm going to say before we even get started, in case anyone was planning on clicking on the other QSP knife we did, the QSP was the second to last knife that we were still bending on.
Okay. So it failed?
It did very well leading up to that fail. That's why I can't count how we were previously doing these knives.
I should have just opened this with a knife and I went the long way. Really? No, at this point it's ignition. What the hell kind of tape is this? We might be redeeming ourselves.
Oh!
Whoa! Have a knife day.
Oh! With a
All
penguin?
Right. With a penguin. And this one is Better Knife, Better Life with a wolf.
Yo.
All right. The penguin is badass.
And totally redeemed yourselves.
Thank you for choosing QSP Knives. We hope you enjoyed. Here are some specifications.
Nice EDC size.
It's like the ooh. I like it a lot. What's this called? Coyote Gray or?
So this one, I believe, hold on, I want to say it's the something.
Oh, denim.
Micarta denim.
Yeah, micarta denim, micarta. Oh yeah, I guess it is denim when you look at it closely. Huh, that's pretty cool.
What was it? $27. We were on a budget this month, so I had to go with something a little bit lower. And
D2.
yeah, I've been wanting to do this one for a while. It's been on the Amazon list for quite some time.
I haven't seen this much oil since I hit puberty. Before we get into the knife, high quality business card here. Like cardboard.
Right.
You know, and it's just a thank you, and it gives you
Two
a little
stickers.
It gives you a little breakdown, like thumb studs, jimping, lanyard hole, liner lock. The stickers are awesome. The Have a Knife Day, I love. The first thing I'm going to say is I like the denim. I love that blade style.
It was a little bit more obvious when looking at the photographs of why it was called the Parrot, and I do believe it's because of that blade shape. Like a beak.
It was just a drop point.
It seemed when I ordered it, it was more dominant, but it's not. It's a very regular blade.
No, it feels good in the hand. It's the perfect size. Like,
I'm a fan.
Yeah,
Especially
I'm a fan.
budget blade. This is right down the alley of budget blade. Which, by the way, I do believe there's a knife called the Penguin. Might have to do that one next.
and then we have like a Parrot sticker. It looks very high quality. This is like looking at like a really nice car. You know what I mean? Like, it's got the bling. You know what I mean?
Oh, wow.
Oh, yeah, dude.
Wow. Holy shit. No, I'm going to say right away, it's been a while since I had...
You might as well just finish the arm. This is like... Knife through butter is harder than this.
Full turn. Ooh. Wow. You gonna finish it off? Oh, shit. Good. Yo!
Dude, did you hear it?
Yeah!
It was like...
Or lack of hearing.
This is ridiculous, actually. New ace head.
Really?
Well, I knew once I cut the edge off, I screwed up the uppercase.
What the
Like, this is no weight. Like, look. Not pushing. Keep my finger back here.
Hold on, let me...
Makes it through two with just tiny bit of pressure. It's a little bit harder, but it has enough sharpness to kind of back itself up. Maybe we should just stop doing the straw. Damn. There's not a fiber.
That's what I mean. Out of the factory,
Whoo! This is amazing. Alright, so with this blade, like, you don't have enough power up front, so you kind of got to bring it back to the rock, but then you're kind of changing your direction. So it's a little funny, but... It sounds like shaving.
yeah. God, that noise.
Look.
Paper. Okay. So 2 of them did not go through, but I mean it's D2, so nothing's really done to the blade. Wow.
Again, it's about finding a sweet spot. Look at them curls.
That's...
I feel like it's kind of all over the place. A little less than a quarter. Damn. I'm having a real hard moment. Hold on. I forgot to tape measure for a second. Like 4/10.
4/10 is 2/5.
One below a half.
1 below a half.
That's an inch. Back all the way to the half.
It would be 7/16. 8 and 8
Yeah, you're
16.
right. 7/16. Damn.
Bad. Yeah, it's D2 though.
Yeah, that took a beating now.
Holy shit. That's never happened before. Look at that gouge. A little bit down near halfway, but up at the top, clean.
Yeah.
2, 3, 2. Damn it.
I think it gets a stamp.
The only falter is that it took a 4th hit on the rope. And I can't, again, that has a lot of possibility of user error.
User error, and also the fact that it's a smooth blade, man. The first one like nicked it like perfectly. I hit it 2nd time, 3rd time, and the 4th time was just like the finisher.
The confidence that I had getting through the EDC portion, just the slicing and dicing, I was like, oh, this is no problem. The only parts that made me like pause were when you went to hammer it from the back because of the curvature of that base.
But I've learned that if I lean it and hit here, it goes straight.
Right. So that was the only moment where I'm like everything was just yes, yes, yes. And then when we got to that, I went, oh.
I love this knife, actually.
Yeah, it's D2, so it's going to take me a little bit of time, but once I have this back to normal, oh my God. QSP, out of the factory?
Look.
Holy shit.
Perfectly. Lock still perfect.
How's the... Like nothing changed.
No looseness, no nothing.
It is so buttery. I can't be that impressed with a knife, and at the very tail end, unless it fucking shatters, there's no reason why I can hate on this knife.
Well, we never kind of put a number on how many hits to get through the rope.
We just kind of ended up with the generic, like 3 was the go-to.
But, again, there's different blade styles. Like, let's go back to the Spyderco guys. You know what I mean? Fine detail, heavy duty, in anywhere in between. This one falls in between, but it's a little bit more towards the finer because it's got I don't want to say an oddly shaped blade, but like a different shaped blade, which is really cool. I like it, but it's also like it's smooth and it's ergonomic. Where like your hand, it's like moving with your hand. You know what I mean?
Because samurai sword.
Kind of.
But it's another one of those things where it's like it has a different blade for only being a few degrees off from what a normal drop point blade would be.
Yeah, and it's actually like you don't even notice it until like I said, you hold it like this, and then you kind of see
the top comes down further than a normal drop point.
Well, instead of coming down, it's like
a slope.
Yeah,
a gradual slope.
This is like a movie knife to me. Like if you seen someone pull this out in a movie, you'd be like, "Oh, that's a good knife." By the way it looks, it's gonna be. If things that go bump in the night, you're gonna have a great knife for it with you. It did every job we threw at it. There's some burrs, but nothing a strop won't fix.
There we go.
All right, so I dimmed the light a little. Let's see. Oh, it's way better. I mean,
oh my God, yeah, you could definitely see.
It's a fucking roll on the whole thing.
Wow.
There's a little clean spot.
Beat the living hell out of it.
Down there's not too bad. It's still bird though. It's bird really bad down there. There we go. Oh, that's rough. That's right by the bottom too.
Yeah.
Is that where the pencil was?
No, I think that was the can. I just, again, out of the factory,
I don't think we've ever had a knife that sharp out of the factory.
$27.
Yeah, I was thinking like the Benchmade was, but like, you know, that's what was it, 150 or whatever.
Yeah. I can't not give it both stamps just because I know that it was user error for anything that went wrong with this knife.
The stamp is the New Age tactical stamp. That's your and my stamp.
And we have said that. It
So-
is still opinion based at the end of the day.
Yeah. I mean,
And this is something I want our name on.
unless it completely shits the bed or does really bad in, you know, 2 or more categories, I mean, we're going to give it the stamp, especially if we like it. I think by using the test as a point system, it kind of keeps us like non-biased, but like, because we're not going to let something fail everything and be like, oh, it's a stamp because we love Spyderco. But when it comes, like, the points kind of keep us like non-biased, or is it biased or non-biased, right?
Unbiased.
Non-biased.
Unbiased.
You pissed me off so much. I forgot what I was
You're
saying.
saying it wrong. An unbiased opinion. It's not a non-biased opinion.
I'm going to stick with the non, all right? Non-biased opinion. The point system kind of keeps us in a straight arrow. You know, like, we're not just going to pass everything. You know, but when you get to something, did it fail? No, it cut through the rope.
It f***ing did it.
So it didn't fail.
Right.
You know?
We just added a number in our heads just because any knife eventually will get through a rope. It's just how many.
And also, take into consideration user error.
Non-serrades, user error. That's why. That's why I have to, for one extra swipe to be the deciding factor of this not getting a stamp, it's not fair. You gotta stamp it.
Nah, boom, boom, 2 stamps.
Yeah, definitely.
QSP, that was pretty surprising. I'm not gonna lie. I was expecting a good knife, but I wasn't expecting that good of a knife, that sharp of a knife.
And this is definitely one of those ones, I know I say it a lot, but this is definitely excited to carry because this is regular EDC size.
Yeah.
Hot color, something we've never really done before. Easy opening, cheap price, but yeah, overall size, it's going to be perfect.
You know the drill. Like, subscribe.
Follow us on Instagram, hit that bell.
Guys, check out the Amazon storefront. We're going to put everything in there. You know, it helps us out a little bit. Other than that, New Age Tactical.
Over and out.